guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my last Halloween look of 2020. I'm going to be doing a Wonder Woman look. I'm super excited about it. I love Wonder Woman. I'm a little obsessed. I'm sure you guys can see back there. I have Wonder Woman pictures actually all over my room. I have like 5 or 6. But yeah, so I really like Wonder Woman. She's bomb. So I'm going to put on my ears right now. Get my hair out of the way. So I am going to keep my green and purple hair. Kind of think it'll be cute, like doing more of a little bit of alternative version of her. Because obviously, yeah, she's got the dark, beautiful black hair, and I have plenty of black wigs I could wear, but I don't know. I just feel like it'd be really cute to just leave my hair. I did a photo shoot as her a long time ago when I had blue in my hair. I was like 19. I'm 27 now. But I really liked how that looked, honestly. So I think I'm just gonna leave my hair the way it is, and it's like all freshly clean and everything, so I really don't want to put it in a wig. I know, silly. But yeah, we're going to get into this look now. So let's see how this turns out. So first I'm going to prime with the NYX. I think this is the Angel Veil. I have a tester from my old job, but I'm pretty sure it's an illuminating primer. Hopefully it's still good. It's a little crusty in there. I mean, it feels nice on my skin. We're just gonna hope for the best with this. We are primed. Oh snap, I need to go get my beauty blender wet because I forgot. So I will be right back in just a second. Bear with me. Get back. I have a beauty blender that's very dirty, I know. So I'm just gonna use the Tarte Clay Stick Foundation in Air Beige. There's a little hair on there, disgusting. Okay, I don't know why I always use the camera for this. It's like I don't want to see what I'm doing, I guess. We'll just leave it like this. I think it looks fine, right? So this video will be going up. Technically it's being almost filmed on Halloween because it is almost midnight the day before. I'm gonna be up all night editing this so it can be out on Halloween. I was gonna try to do quite a few more looks this year, but like unfortunately, you know, life happens and makes things kind of hard sometimes. So here we are, trying to get my last look squeezed in. I'm going to take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair 02 and get this concealer going. I don't know why I'm concealing my forehead. I'm not going to have a forehead with this look, but that's okay. We're just gonna do it anyways. Why not? Okie dokie. Concealer on. Now I'm just gonna take the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Powder to just like set everything real nice with. We are done with the beauty blender. Next, I have to bronze because obviously I'm very pale. And we need to have a little color going on. We're gonna bronze it, baby. I'm gonna do a little bit here, but I don't know if it's really gonna matter. Like I said, my forehead is going to be the like headband, so it's kind of not gonna really matter that it's there or not. I know I look crazy. I'm aware. I like to take this little brush and just like help blend this a little bit, and this is also what I wipe the bake away with, and then I kind of help blend it with that left over on the brush. See, it's much better now. Now we have a little bit of color to the face. Now I'm going to take what I'm holding, my blush. We're just going to give it a little bit of color here as well. Okay, we got the blush on. Now I'm going to highlight with this Estate Do Me Lip. It is a gold highlight, like a lighter gold highlight, just to kind of keep the nice warmer tones with everything. I'm about to put the blush on my face, oh my gosh, in the wrong spots. Okay, we're glowing from outer space. Okay, my eyebrows are going to be black, which are going to be intense, I think, but also good, and hopefully will look fine. Okay, now I'm going to take my eyebrow brush and kind of shape this a little bit more with this. It is trying to make a whole ass mess. I'm going to sharpen this. So cute, it says sharpen me on it. Let's do the other eyebrow. Hopefully this goes well. Alright, now we're gonna shape that again because it definitely needs shaping. Oh yeah, baby. So those are my new eyebrows. I like them. I think I want to draw where the headband is gonna go. I'm a little nervous for this. looks so weird right now. Okay, not perfect, but my forehead's really not that big. So, wow, this thing just freaked out. Oh my, 2 seconds, I have to get a makeup wipe because I'm covered in eyeliner. This video just doesn't want to be filmed, I think. Before this camera dies, let's see how much we can get done. Draw a star with this mess. Alright, eyeliner. I don't trust you. Alright, we're gonna draw a little star. That is a terrible star. Okay, it looks a little crazy, but it'll be better. I'm gonna fill it in. Hopefully it'll look cuter. So we're just gonna make like a cute little line. A line there. We're gonna make a line on my nose, then a line on my nose over here. So just like a few little, so it's more cartoony. We're gonna do, you see those lines? They're so tiny. Oh my god. And then we're gonna draw them on my cheeks. So this is it so far. I'm going to sharpen this, and I'm just going to go right here. Oh, we need one on my chin. We'll do my neck a little bit. Okay guys, my camera died, so it's back on. I am going to try to get through this as fast as I can, so that way it doesn't die again, because, yeah. Alright, get to, this is the Hello Charmers BoxyCharm palette. This palette has some great gold colors in it. I'm probably going to use Luxe a lot. I'm going to try to fill in this thing up here, my headband, as fast as I can. Probably good my forehead's not super huge because it would take forever to fill in. But my forehead I feel like is a little small for this, for it to like look right. It could be just me, but I don't know. This gold is like really pigmented though, which is awesome. So hopefully I won't have to go over it like 50,000 times. Do you see this so far? Gotta get it in that hairline. It looks like I was born with it. You know what I'm saying? We're very slowly but surely getting somewhere. This gold is actually like pretty impressive though. It's very pigmented. I have not actually used this palette before until now. So I'm like super impressed with like how pigmented this actually is. Fabulous, so beautiful. I'm obsessed. I love how this actually went on pretty fast and well. Now that doesn't look so weird. We fixed the weirdness. So now I am going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to put gold kind of like just on my lid and crease. And this is some next level pigmentation. Wowza. Do you see that going on? Pretty impressive actually. Now we're gonna do this side. I think I need a little more on this side to balance out how pigmented the other side is. I'm gonna take another fluffy brush and I'm gonna go in with kind of like a reddish color and just kind of like, well, like reddish orange I guess, and just put that on this like outer corner here, just like this. And I'm gonna go back in with the gold, kind of diffuse a little bit of it right here, just so it's not so dramatic. Now we will take eyeliner and we're gonna do a wing, like a normal wing. We're gonna kind of make it into a cap point. This eyeliner is like rubbing itself away. I'll make my wing first and then we'll come back to that. This eyeliner hates me. We kind of have a point. I'm going to do the wing on this side just in case I run out. I'm gonna have to try to find some more. Let's see if I can get this one on. This eyeliner does not like me. Okay. We're going to try to find another one really fast before my camera dies again. So I'll be right back in 2 seconds. Hopefully. This eyeliner works well. That's what we're hoping for. Then we're going to draw line like that. And then I'm going to go under my eye. Now, I'm going to try to get this white eyeliner to work on my tear duct a little bit. Okay, we got a little bit on. We got some on. Alright, now I am going to sharpen this black pencil again. Draw like a black line around the outside of my lips. Fill them in with red. And then I need to fill in my little star. I'm going to try to round out my lips. I'm going to take Redrum, basically fill them in with it. I'm going to fill the star in with this as well. Little baby hairs. Yay. Okay guys, my camera died again, so I glued on my eyelashes, put on my mascara. Now I'm gonna take this Dreamtone foundation, it's just white. I'm putting it on a napkin, just a little tiny bit, and then I'm gonna take a lip brush, like so, a mirror, and I'm just gonna add like some white to my lips. And then I'm going to take this same white and just add it to the highlight spot because the white pencil didn't really do anything. So this is the final look. Just gotta add those little highlights in. Do I remind you of Wonder Woman with colored hair? I like this look, it's super cute. I feel like a cartoon character. I wish my forehead was like just a tiny bit larger. Maybe I should have just brought this down even lower, but that's okay. This is the look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and then comment below. Tell me what you guys think of this look, if I remind you of Wonder Woman or not, and subscribe. We're super close to 200 subscribers. I'm super excited about it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Halloween. Comment below what you guys are doing for Halloween. I'm just curious. Are you staying home? Are you gonna go see a family member, a friend? Are you dressing up? Are you not dressing up? Are you playing Animal Crossing? Because you know that's a thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!